Welcome to Deepa's Knits and Knots. Let's crochet these stunning hoop flower earrings today. Before we get into today's tutorial, if you enjoy beginner-friendly crochet videos and step-by-step tutorials like this, you can also explore our crochet kits on Amazon. Our kits include all the materials required to create a cute crochet project, including yarn, crochet hook, needle, stitch markers, glue, safety eyes, a reusable storage box, and a step-by-step video tutorial card. Our 2-in-1 animal pouch kits are just 299 Indian rupees. Our cat paw pouch kits are just 249 Indian rupees. Our flower pouch kits are just 241 Indian rupees. Our evil eye kits are just 149 Indian rupees. And our 12-color 6-ply yarn kit is just 275 Indian rupees. These gorgeous 3-in-1 tulip coasters are just 249 rupees. This cute tulip scrunchie kit is just 190 Indian rupees. Shop links are given in the description. Now let's get into the tutorial. The materials used are green, red, and off-white cotton thread, earring hooks, hoops, and a 0.95mm crochet hook. You can also use colors to your liking. For round 1, make a slip knot using the off-white thread. Now, take the hoop and make a single crochet in that hoop as shown. Make single crochets all around the hoop. Continue working evenly around the entire hoop until it is fully covered with single crochets. After completion, cut and pull off the thread. Now attach the green thread as shown. For round 2, chain 4. Here, chain 3 counts as the first double crochet, and chain 1 creates the gap. Now turn the project and make another double crochet in the same stitch, which makes the V-stitch. Skip the next stitch. In the following stitch, make another V-stitch, which is 1 double crochet. Chain 1. And 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Again, skip 1 stitch and make another V-stitch in the next stitch, which is 1 double crochet. Chain 1 and 1 double crochet in the same stitch. And skip the next stitch. Continue repeating the V-stitch pattern and skip 1 all the way around the hoop. After completing the last V-stitch, cut and pulling off the thread. Now attach the red thread as shown. Chain 1 and turn the project. And make a slip stitch into the chain 1 gap of the V-stitch. Chain 3, which counts as the first double crochet. Then make 2 double crochets together in the same V-gap, which is half finished 2 double crochets by leaving the last loop on the hook. Then pull through all the loops and chain 1. Now move to the next V-stitch gap and make 3 double crochets together. To make 3 double crochets together, half finish 3 double crochets by leaving the last loop of each stitch on the hook and pull through all the loops together and chain 1. Now move to the next V-stitch gap and make 3 double crochets together again. This is 3 double crochets together, Half-finish 3 double crochets by leaving the last loop of each stitch on the hook and pull through all the loops together and chain 1. Continue making 3 double crochets together in each V-stitch gap and chain 1 all the way around. After completion, cut and pull off the thread. At the back of the earring, hide the thread in the stitches and cut the excess yarn. And that's it. Your beautiful crochet hoop flower earrings are ready. These beautiful crochet hoop flower earrings can be worn for any occasion, casual outings, parties, festivals, or even everyday wear. Don't forget to explore our kits on Amazon. Shop links are in the description. Support our channel by liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing for more crochet tutorials.